For our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, we're working on the song Can't Take My Eyes Off of You. And there are some passages here where we're going from an F to an F minor, which happens in other songs as well. And because I've been doing it for a long time, it's just automatic for me to lift all my fingers off the fretboard, reorient them to the F minor chord, F, and the F minor, because I have practiced repetition and gotten to a point where it's not a problem. It was a problem for a while. But if you want to try different fingering, this is a really good question to ask yourselves when there's a challenging transition between two chords. Think outside the box. Maybe there is a fingering that you hadn't thought of before that might make it a little easier, maybe. So we experimented, and we started off with the F chord with a different fingering, using our middle finger and our ring finger. So the middle finger now is the anchor finger, the guide finger. So I'm putting my middle finger in the first fret on the C string. Okay? First fret on the E string. And then my ring finger on the G string, second fret. So you can see it's an F, it's just a different fingering. Now, all I need to do to turn that F now into an F minor, which one finger can I hold down, can I leave down? Which finger?
Finger.
Which finger?
That middle finger.
The middle finger.
On the E.
Right. Which, when we do it the traditional way, the traditional fingering, we have to lift everybody up. We have to get everybody off the floor for a second. Here, we can keep one finger down. So it's our middle finger. So just push that toggle switch and go, this one stays. Okay. So now we're going to build the F minor chord around it. So I take my index finger and I make what looks like a D7 form in the first fret, and then extend my baby finger out to complete that F minor. Now, if this is appealing to you, you're going to have to work with it. And we'd have to go back and forth. So we would do very, very slowly that F with that alternate fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4, F minor. 1, 2. I'm just strumming down on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let go. Now find that F with the alternate fingering. Got it? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then all 4 beats. 2, 3, 4, F minor 7, and back and forth. So there's an option for you.